There's a hum beneath the silence, a pulse that never sleeps. I built this body out of echoes and left myself inside. I built a silence out of steel, polished dreams I couldn't feel, under lights that start to breathe. Every shadow's a part of me, chrome reflections pulse in sync, lines of fade on the edge of ink, each design a whispered tone, every curve I'm not alone. I don't chase the road, it chases me. A mirror burns where I used to be. Every version, another time, same reflection, new design. Ghosts of engines thrown through glass, echoes fade, but memories last. Every mile I leave behind writes a name I'll never find. I'm not metal, I'm a memory, running slow through circuitry. In every shine a ghost remains of who I was before the flame. Through the static, through the blur, I still hear what I once were. Every turn the night replays my soul in endless race. They think it's speed I crave, but it's the silence that I save. 1,000 lights, a single tone, every shape still feels like home. Silver veins and shifting dreams, running soft through hidden themes. Not a race, but a return. Every spark, a place I yearn. Time dissolves beneath the frame. Versions change, but I'm the same. All the faces that I wear still reflect the one that cares. I'm not metal, I'm a memory, bound by love and sin chain. With every shade a heart remains, in it every pulse the same refrain. And when the engines fade away, I still glow in silver gray. Every version learns to be just another side of me. Every scar is chrome, every spark's my own. Underneath the noise, there's a voice I've always known. Keep driving, don't rewind. You'll find yourself between the lines. Even if I fade, I'll still glow in the unknown. I'm not metal, I'm a memory, dancing slow through gravity. All my versions still believe every loss was meant to weave. Shattered glass and quiet rain, polished pain I can't contain. All my R8s, all my dreams, ride forever in my CD. version carries me. 9XD Collectibles and more.